Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is the fastest way to make $10,000 online. So, let's get started. So there are a few different ways to do this. One is selling a course. You can do affiliate marketing, you can do blogging, and there are literally a million different ways to do this. Now what I mostly do is affiliate marketing. So we're going to talk mostly about that because I believe that affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to do this. So how do you actually do this? The first thing is you need to get traffic. There's no way around that. Traffic is the key to everything. If you don't have traffic, you can have the best course in the world. Nobody will ever buy it from you. So traffic is the most important thing that you can have. If you do not have traffic, you are missing out and you'll never be able to make any sorts of sales. So, how do you get traffic? You get traffic by creating content. I say this in literally all my videos, but you do need to get that. So, to get traffic, you need to either create a blog or a YouTube channel or something along those lines and just go all in and create content every single day as much as possible, and that's the only way you'll get to traffic, unless you want to get into paid traffic, but this is a completely different series. It's not just a video. You can take a course on that if you're interested, but in this video I really want to talk about free traffic. So if you want free traffic and you do not have any money, this is the way to do it. Is just to pump out content all the time. So I've got some other videos of this, so make sure you check that out if you are interested in that, and you absolutely should be. So make sure you check out my other videos, but this is not the topic of this one. So once you start getting traffic, you want to generate leads, and this is done with an autoresponder. So you just get some emails by giving away something for free, and you start generating leads. Once you start getting some leads, this is the closest thing to a sale, but you haven't made a sale yet. So how are you going to get a sale? You need a product, you need a front-end offer. So this is something that's quite cheap that you can offer for free. Well, not for free. It's something that you can sell that's not too expensive for the customer to buy, but gives you a commission. Because we're talking about affiliate marketing, we're going to talk about commissions. But if you have your own product, this works as well. You just have to have something that is quite cheap for the customer to afford, that they're not spending millions of bucks to buy something. Well, when I say millions of bucks, I don't literally mean millions of bucks, but this is something that's entry level that they're not spending too much money on. After that, when they got that first product, you want to offer them a second product. Something that costs you a bit more money or costs them a bit more money. So this can be another affiliate product that you can sell that costs a bit more money than the first one, and that's a bit more expensive. And after that, you can do coaching, and that's going to cost them even more money. But maybe you're not into coaching because that is not passive income. So I highly suggest doing affiliate marketing. If you're into coaching and you know something in your niche, feel free to do that. That's an awesome way to make money, but you do have to keep in mind that you actually have to put in some time, and you're going to be paid with the time that you're doing, but you can get paid quite a lot. So you are the one to decide if you want to do this or not. So what I recommend is doing affiliate marketing, just like I've been saying. If you're a beginner, that's probably the best way to do this. The problem with that is that there are a ton of people that start affiliate marketing and have no idea how to start a business. And that's okay. If you don't know how to start a business, I'm there for you. Browse all my videos, and by the end you'll probably know how to start a business online. The trouble is, if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that you do have to put in the work. I'm not telling you that it's just going to grow on trees and fall into your bank account. I'm not about this, I'm not about scamming people. I just want to tell people that you do have to put in the work to get things done. And a lot of people just start a few things and post their affiliate links in Facebook groups and in YouTube videos and hope they'll make some sales. But they don't. And then they think that all is a scam, it doesn't work. They've been doing this for 2 months and it doesn't work. If you don't put in the work, it doesn't work. It's just as simple as that. So just know that you have to put in the work and it's going to take some time. However, if you do know this, that's a great way to start with affiliate marketing and start creating some content. So imagine that you want to make $10,000 a month. That's a pretty big amount of money to a lot of people. Well, it just is a big amount of money no matter what. Even if you're Bill Gates, it's a pretty big amount of money. So how do you get to $10,000 a month? What a lot of people do is they just sell a cheap product, they make $5 commissions, and that's how they try to scale to $10,000 a month. The trouble with this is that you have to have a lot of sales to get to $10,000 a month. You need literally thousands of dollars. You literally need thousands of sales to get to thousands of dollars. So this doesn't work unless you have a huge following, but that's just not the best way to go about it, especially if you want to make it the fastest way possible to $10,000 a month. It's just not going to be reasonable. So what you want to do instead is, yes, do that, but then on the back end, just like I talked about at the beginning of this video, you want to make bigger sales, something that earns you bigger commissions. So maybe you want to have a product that pays you $8,000, maybe $1,000, maybe $500. These are big commissions. These are commissions that if you get that, it will be way easier to get to $10,000 a month. So if you have a $500 product, for example, you only need 20 sales. If you have a $1,000 product, you only need 10 sales. Like, think about that. That's not even close to one product a day. You don't need one sale a day to make $10,000 a month. Like, think about that. Pause the video. Think about this. $500, if you're selling a product for $500, you only need 20 sales. If you're selling a $1,000 product, you only need 10 sales. So any of these is pretty insane, because even 20 sales, that's like a third of the month you have to be making sales, or 2/3 of the month that you need to be making sales, and then you're making $10,000 a month. I'm not saying this is easy, because you do need to get some traffic, which will be able to generate you some leads, which then will lead into sales. But traffic is the most important thing, because it's the first part of the sale. So if you're making the effort to generate $5 sales or $10 sales, why don't you actually make the same effort to generate $500 sales? Like, that's a no-brainer. You need to do that. Obviously, again, I'm just going to repeat this over and over. It's not easy. You just have to put in the work. It's just the way it is. But if you're making smaller sales, then you can probably make bigger sales as well. So the best thing that you can do once you generate some leads is you generate a smaller commission product. That's the entry-level product. That's the first product, the one that people are just going to get into. Something that if they've never bought from you, they can buy this. So this can be a $20 sale. But not only is it going to be a $20 sale, but it's going to bring you $20 month after month. This is something that they have to pay every month for. So this will be awesome, because the more leads you generate, the more your income will grow, because it doesn't stop after the first month. It just keeps growing and growing and growing. However, this is gonna take a while to get to $10,000 a month, or whatever the amount that you want to make is. So while you're doing this, after they've bought that first product, which they pay every month for, you want to sell them something that's way more expensive, just like I talked about, if it's $1,000, for example. And then this will just spike up your income and it'll go through the roof, and that's the best thing that you can have. So while you have the income that's coming in every single month, then you have the bigger spikes that will get you to $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month, $100,000 a month, and so on. So I hope you found some value in this video. I really hope that I'll see you in tomorrow's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.